Made you biscuits. Yeah. It's a bit warm. Too warm? Does it need to cool down? Should we leave it here so it cools down, or shall I blow on it for you? Yeah. Shall I open it? Oh, crumbly. Oh, yummy, we like the crumbs. Okay, I'll put that there so as it cools down you can eat it. It was not cool yet, my man. Come on, here you go. Oh, what a mess. Very crumbly. You're going to have to clean that up now.